Hi, Steve. I don't live near the water. Do I need flood insurance?
That's a great question, John. Thanks for asking. Actually, we get that question like practically every day. Just because you don't live near the water doesn't mean you don't need flood insurance. But there are certain circumstances that you should take into consideration when you're thinking about the decision about buying flood insurance. This is how we counsel our clients. We tell them, have they ever had a flood in the last 20 years at their property? If the answer is yes, they should consider a flood insurance policy. The next level of questions, have any of your neighbors had a flood in the last 20 years that they've established and had damages to their basement or property? If the answer is yes, you should consider a flood insurance policy as well. Do you know of any tides or streams that have changed in level significantly in the last 20 years? A lot of little babbling brooks were once kind, gentle little babbling brooks when your parents moved into the home, but now 20 years later, it's a rising tide that's a running body of water. Something to consider that the tides are probably only going to go up and not usually go down. Therefore, you should consider a flood insurance policy. And also, when you're not living in a flood insurance zone, flood insurance is actually really reasonable. You should check out the pricing. It's actually quite inexpensive when you're not in a flood zone. Our suggestion is give an independent insurance agent, like us, a call. We can get you an exact quotation with just a matter of a few minutes on the phone. You know, flood insurance starts as low as about $150 per year. Most people don't know it's that reasonable. So give us a call at 516-249-5200. We'd be happy to give you a quotation and give you more counseling tips on whether you should or shouldn't consider a flood insurance policy. I'm Steve Visco, and that's my insurance tip of the day. Thanks for watching.